Welcome to Paducah, Kentucky. We are in Quilt City, USA, and it is a shopping spree, $100 versus $1,000. Hello, my friends, and welcome to Where Wendy Creates. Today we are in the hotel Homewood Suites in Paducah, Kentucky, and yes, that's right, Quilt Week 2026. I'm so excited, and I have to show you my haul. This is my haul video, and I want to show you the difference between $100 and $1,000. Here we go. Oh my goodness, we are in our hotel room, my friends, and I am so excited. We are at Quilt Week Paducah 2026, and I want to show you what $100 got me here at the show. Well, I'm including Hancock's of Paducah as part of the show, and I was able to pick up 4 fabrics for a quilt that I have in mind right now. And then for another quilt with coffees, I picked up 2 beautiful fabrics here that I'm absolutely in love with. And then look at this. You could not pass this up. This is an absolute gorgeous panel piece with such beautiful colors. And like I told you, the pastels are in. We've got the pinks, the purples, the butterflies. Fresh for spring, my friends. This is quite a deal. And I got the bag, I got the button, I'm wearing the t-shirt, and I picked up the fabric at some nice discounted prices. So we're looking at what $100 buys us at the quilt show in Quilt Week in Paducah. So excited. And let's go see, for contrast, what $1,000 buys us, shall we? So I am looking at some yummy things. Look at those beautiful bags. Woo! And we got those receipt tags out front as well. Well, we've picked them up from a couple of different places, and I want you to be prepared. $14 or $12 as a member is going to get you this beautiful quilt art engagement calendar for 2027. We also were able to pick these up half price, my friends. Look at these beautiful cut jelly rolls. I'm so excited about that. I think I paid $35 for the 2 of these combined, and these 2, I want to say it was $30 for the 2 combined, and then we have some mystery bags here. Oh my goodness, are you ready to dive in? We also have quilt books to talk about. So my friends, I am so excited to share this with you. We are in the hotel room in Paducah, and we've spent $1,000 on this bed, and I want to show you what we've got. And no quilt retreat or quilt trip would be great without picking up some books. These are authors, 3 different authors here at this year's show. I'm so excited to tell you about them. They are some of the greats that we've seen before, plus brand new this year. So make sure, if you like to read, you are going to love reading about how quilts are in our everyday lives and how we are brought up quilting and introducing quilts to our life. And don't forget to take advantage of your calendar. It's a great way to plan, a great way to go through and get the signatures, the autographs of your ladies who make the quilts in here as well. So it is a beautiful calendar for next year, and you can go through and get their signatures on the book. And make sure you attend different events at the quilt show. It definitely is rewarding. Now, let's see what we got from one of our vendors here at the show. We picked up some beautiful quilt panels, so I'm very excited to go home and put these into effect, into sewing, and look at some of the previews of the glorious things that we're going to have out on the channel very soon as we put these beautiful panels into quilts. So very excited, cannot wait to show you more about that. And we are just getting started. Another lovely panel for a bear panel. Look at this, $8.50 animal print. They've got them hanging up. You can touch them, feel them. Great way to buy your fabric. We had to get our bag to put all of our treasures in, and I'm going to show you our receipt soon. But look at this, my friends. Hancock's of Paducah. It is the world's largest quilt store right here in Paducah. It's not related to the old Hancock's that went out of business in your town or that you've been to before. This is the one and only Hancock's of Paducah. Make sure you subscribe, see my other channel where I take you through the store and tell you the history of the store. Don't miss that video. All right, so let's have fun, shall we? We have a bunch of yards. These are 1 and 2 yard fabrics that we are so excited about. Look at these space and satellites, and oh my gosh, I love it. Beautiful pastels are in, textural neutral colors are in, and I'm so excited to have these brand new fabrics added to the collection that we're going to put to use very, very soon. And pre-cuts. If you want pre-cuts, if you're looking for a certain kind of pre-cut, they are here at Quilt Week. I'm so excited about these. Day brush, we got the grouping here. It's Escapade 42.5-inch strips from Timeless Treasures. Absolutely beautiful. And look at these by Moda. Wild Blue Yonder. I am so excited about these new. These are just out. These are a beautiful charm packs. We've got enough to do a king size quilt, so excited there. Some more beautiful purples, blendables from Timeless Treasures. And look at this pack. Timeless Treasures again, full of butterflies and flowers, my friends. Ooh, 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 ooh. Could that green not go just everywhere in your quilts? More blendables, beautiful browns, and look at this charm pack too. It looks like Timeless Treasures took my eye for the majority of these fabrics in this bag this time, and more charm packs to match the 2.5-inch strips. So pre-cuts are in this year, my friends. Make your time worth it and get yourself some of those. And look, a second bag. Let's pull that bag over, and this is just full of beautiful blendables in textural prints. These are Grunge by Moda, my friend. Grunge by Moda. Yum, 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 yum. And what else do we have? Oh, 1 yard prints. We have the wolves. We have, yes, Mr. Sasquatch is in. You're seeing him more and more on fabric because we're into the more natural tones, and Sasquatch is still one of those beautiful dreams in nature that we have. And oh my goodness, if I could have a dress made of this. Cannot wait to see what that quilt turns out to be. And some beautiful holiday fabric with some zir. Now, would this just not go perfect with my coffees? Looks like a chessboard. I love this. More textural neutrals. Absolutely incredible here. Those are going to go great with the Sasquatch. Very excited about those neutrals. And some more. Absolutely wonderful. And of course, the greens. And you didn't think we were done with the pinks and purples, did you, my friends? It is beautiful to see how many colors you can find that are blendable and beautiful with this. And I told you we have just spent $1,000. Well, look at this receipt. One of them, $479, but don't get too excited. A lot of these fabrics, my friends, $6.99, $6.99 for a yard, $11 for a yard, $11.99. Looks like the most I spent for a yard, my friends, was no, that's not true. $13.98. That was 2 yards at $6.99. Not bad at all. Great prices at Hancock's. I have a receipt here for $4.79, another receipt for $5.06, and it looks like I even got a yard here for $5.99. a yard for $6.99, $6.99, $11.99, $11.99, a lot of $11.99s. So again, these, you can get a lot. Now, how many quilts can this make? Huh? How many quilts can this make? I'm so excited with my haul, so excited with my loot. Thank you for letting me share this with you. I am just going to lay this out all over the bed and have some fun for a while. I will see you again real soon, and you've got to get here. Put it on your bucket list. Put it on your calendar right now. Paducah, Kentucky, Quilt Week. Oh yeah, you're all about this. This is where you want to be, my friends. This is what $1,000 looks like. So I thought you should see how expensive, or maybe how inexpensive, a quilting trip can be for you. So if we're looking at hotel at about $250 a night, you're looking at $1,000 on the bed here between books, a class, a calendar, fabric, and a keepsake tote bag. You can add up some numbers. We are having the best time. And I did want to show you, we also got these wonderful on sale, 60% off for the go that we already have to make tags. So normally this was $84.99. We got it for about $35. So excited about that. And I want to let you know, a lot of this fabric, we actually got at a discount. Fabric is now running at $12.99 a yard, $11.99, $12.99 a yard. You tell me, if you would, down in the comments, what your quilt store is selling the fabric for. We got a lot of this for $6.99 to $11.99. So we saved at least $1 on almost every single yard. And I will tell you, a lot of these charm packs are now going for about $14.99. We got most of these charm packs, I want to say, for $11.99. So really, really great deal there on our different fabrics. And again, if you know where to look, buy one, get one. And I don't have it here, but I want to tell you about Haverty's rulers. Haverty's has a double or triple or quadruple booth in every AQS show, my friends. And you've got to get there, because Haverty's has the cutting boards on sale for $25. Normally those go for about $49, okay? Half price. Absolutely incredible. Their scissors, their rotary cutters, normally those can price out easily for $19, $20 on average a piece. They are selling them for $15 for the first one, $10 for every one after. And if you get to the show on the first day, oh my friends, they have a clearance section, and we picked up 2 rulers that normally retail for about $19 to $26 each for $6 each. I'm sorry, they're in the car, I don't have them here, but I'm so excited about this haul. I just wanted to share this. Upcoming tutorials, my friends, get ready. Grab your tea, grab your coffee. We're gonna have some fun. Oh, and I got these beautiful earrings. I'm gonna show you up closer. And they were at the show as well. So the show is so much fun, so much education, free tutorials at different booths, and they have lectures in what they call the pavilion. It's a big dome bubble, and it's called the pavilion, and they have lectures almost constantly going on in there to take advantage of, and it's so much fun. I'll see you there next year. Thank you, my friends. Bye. Okay, so we went shopping again, my friends. I have to share with you this seam ripper, snip and rip, from the Gypsy Quilter. This is absolutely incredible. I think we paid $21, $22 for it. It's a little shaver for your fabric. I'm going to show you that in a different video, so hit subscribe. And looky, looky, looky. We got a bundled up, let's see how much we paid today in this one, $70.97. And we have a quilt panel, $11.99. It was all trees up on the wall. Loved it, loved it, loved it. And let's see what else I can pull out of here. We've got another panel. Look at that, $12.99. pink, beautiful, ancient. Oh my goodness, I'm going to make myself probably a couch throw out of that. And look at this, some more beautiful trees. And was that it? Oh, I've got a second receipt. What else did I do? And this receipt, my friend, is $70, Lone Star Quilt Shop. Thank you very much, Lone Star Quilt Shop. I had such a great time in your store today, and you ladies were absolutely incredible to me. Ah, what a haul.